Is the Goulding method sleep talk really as powerful as they claim? Is it really possible to develop self-confidence, self-love, healthy self-esteem in a child that lasts for a lifetime? Would you like to see proof of how the application of the method eliminated post-trauma stress disorder in children after a devastating bushfire, or after the trauma of 1 year of isolation and mask mandate? Would you like to hear about the changes this method has brought about in autistic children? How much it based on hypnosis, if at all? And most importantly, does it worth to learn it?
Come to my lecture to know it.